Guys, welcome back to the channel once again. It's your girl, the African Barbie, the Melanin Princess, the Maybellia. If it is your first time coming across my channel and stumbling on my gorgeous face, you're welcome. I do hope you decide to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button just right below this video right there, and then hit the notification bell right beside it. That way YouTube is going to let you guys know whenever I have a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, you guys know you're the real MVP. You know that I love you. Welcome back. So today I came across another video on TikTok that I want to talk about, and this video is actually, let me just play the video, okay?
On the low, Me, I got an itch in my shoes. Me, I got that thing I'ma show you. Call me my undercover lover. Nobody know. Try something.
Okay, so in this video you can just see a beautiful black woman. She's actually Nigerian, you guys, and she posted that video and talked about how she's a mom of 2, and then she talked about that remedy. This video is not about the remedy for weight loss or for belly fat loss. No, it's about the comment that was made by a Karen. Okay, someone dropped a comment, and I was like, no, I have to come and make a video about this because I would not understand. It needs to be addressed. Okay, so let me drop the video where she responded to the particular comment that that person made on this first video that I just played.
I am African. I am African. An African child.
Tell him, sis. Tell them, sis. She definitely told her. You see, this particular video, and I love the way like other black girls came at her in the comment section. Like, you know, they were bigging her up, African queen. I like that there was a lot of black girls supporting her in the comments and all of that. And I just want to address this whole thing about beauty standards and how they are different. Like, I feel like generally everybody is held by a certain beauty standard, which is not right. There are different kind of beauty standards in different parts of the world. What we consider beautiful here in Africa is different from what, you know, people in the Western world, people in Asia, in different parts of the world call beautiful. You understand? There's a typical European standard of beauty, you know, long, silky, soft, straight hair with very loose curls or no curls at all, blue eyes, slimmer noses, smaller bodies. You know, they don't have a lot of junk in the trunk like we over here, you know, black people, and all of that. That is what they consider beautiful. In Asia, you have them with the eyes, you know, the kind of beautiful eyes that they have. I think they like the whole petite body structure and all of that. They have their own standard of beauty, and then we over here have our own standard of beauty. Like black people, generally Africans, you know, people of African descent, we have the way we are built. We are so different. We have fuller lips, we have like button noses, we have kinky hair and all of that. God created all of us differently. I do not understand why somehow everybody is being held to the same standard of beauty, which is the European standard of beauty. You know, it seems like you have to look a certain way. Now you see people trying to look a certain way so that they could fit into the standard of beauty. You see a lot of us trying to bleach our skin, which we know is terrible. We see a lot of us like trying to change the hair texture, the texture of our hair and all of that just to fit in. Now my hair is no longer natural. I used to be natural. I'm not criticizing anybody who is not keeping their hair natural, you know, 4C, kinky, curly hair. No, that's not what I'm saying here. But I feel like if you're doing it, do it, but don't do it because you don't like yourself and you're just trying to be like someone else. I hope that makes sense. What is your reason for doing it? You see a lot of people going under the knife to look a certain way, and I'm just like, it does not make sense. How did we get to the point where we do not like and accept ourselves the way we are, that we have to try to look like someone else? And how did they get to the point that they feel like their way is the only way? Like they're just living in a bubble and they judge every other person by their own beauty standards. And it has done a lot of damage over the centuries to people in different parts of the world, not just black people, even in Asia. I've watched different TikToks where I see people talking about how, you know, in their magazines and adverts and all of that in Asia, they are seeing white people and they aspire to look like those people. Why can't they use people that look like them? The same thing over here, like representation in black people as well. Like, we need to see people that look like us. We need to know that we don't have to look like them. We need to know that we are beautiful as well, and we need to accept that. So you see what she did by making that video and stating to her that, yo, I'm African, we don't wish to look like you guys. We don't want to be stick thin. We don't want to look like flat in front and flat behind. Hello. Even though these days they are trying to get the whole BBL thing and all of that, trying to have, you know, fuller, curvier bodies. It's all good. There's nothing wrong with that. But you guys need to know and appreciate and acknowledge that, yo, you guys are trying to hold us to your own beauty standards, but in the end, you guys are still trying to look like us. Explain the lip fillers, explain the BBLs. You know, there's a lot of that happening. So just respect the culture, respect black people, respect the way we were created, and just don't try to project your own beauty standards on us. And I really loved the way black people came in the comment section and they were bigging her up and all of that. So this video is just basically an appreciation. Everybody accept your beauty standards and don't try to be like someone else. We're all beautifully and wonderfully created, and don't come on someone's page and try to hold them to your own standards, because really nobody cares. Nobody cares, Karen. Nobody cares. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.